Alright, today we are going to take a look at how you make a playlist in iTunes. You may ask yourself, what is the purpose of a playlist? Well, back in the day, there used to be mixtapes or mix CDs. People would take random songs that really didn't go together, didn't have the same CD or album that they were off of, and put them together to make a mix so that they could, celebrate an occasion, maybe have something to write a paper to. So then along came MP3s and MP3 players, and you can actually now make playlists, which are essentially mixtapes or mix CDs, and you can use those for whatever you need to. And right now we are going to make a playlist for studying or writing a paper. So the first thing you want to do is direct your attention down here to the bottom left corner of the iTunes screen, and iTunes looks pretty much the same whether it's Mac or PC. So that little plus right there, if you hold your cursor over it long enough, you'll see Create a Playlist. So you want to click on that, and then you'll see up here in your playlist list that there is Untitled Playlist, and it's highlighted in blue. That means it's ready to type. So we are going to call this a paper mix, and then hit enter, and you'll see that in your list. Then it is officially a playlist, but right now it is completely empty. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll back up so that you can then click on your click on your music library, and then you'll see your whole list here. Now let's say you want to add the Black Eyed Peas Pump It because you are really excited to type your paper. So you're going to click on Pump It and hold it down, click and drag it down here. Once you get to this bottom corner area, you will see that it slides it down for you. Then you just need to find the playlist you're making. There's our paper mix. You'll see it highlighted in blue. Unclick, and it is officially added to the playlist. Alright, now let's say you scroll down a little bit here. Let's say you want to add more than one file at the same time. Let's say you are a big Coldplay fan, and you want to add a few songs. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on one song, and you want to add down to Sparks. So hold the Shift button and click, and that will select all 4 songs. Then you just repeat the same process, click and drag over to your paper mix till you see it highlighted in blue. Then you'll see the little red 4 there. Let it go, and they will be added to your mix. We'll click on that mix there, and we can see now that we have the following songs in there. Well, let's say you accidentally misclicked and you actually didn't want Sparks in there. What you can do is you can click on it and then hit your delete button, and that will bring up this window that says, are you sure you want to remove the selected song from the list? Just in case you may have misclicked a second time, but we're going to hit remove, and that song has been taken out. So now that you have your playlist, you can play it on your computer whenever you're working, or let's say you have a device such as an iPod or iPhone that you want to put this mix on. What you would do is you would plug it in, and in this list here you can scroll up and you'll see whenever it comes in there's the music library, the store, the shared. When you plug it in, you'll see a little thing like that that'll say devices, and you'll see in this list, which this is actually the store, the iTunes store, you will see whatever your device is. Then what you would do is you would scroll down, same click and drag method, but you would actually click and drag. As you can see, it moves here. You would click and drag the whole playlist itself. Alright, and that's it. That's how you make a playlist in iTunes. And also, on a total side note, please excuse the wobbly camera and the non-formatting with Jing. I'll explain that in the email. Thank you.